Okay, hello everyone. So we had done questions 1 to 20. I had uploaded a video a few months back actually of ratio, proportion, indices, log question bank. Actually there is no ratio proportion questions, just indices and log. But a lot of students are requesting to make videos on further questions also. So in this video we'll start from questions 21 onwards, okay, as much as we can. So our objective is we are going to try to solve every question within 1 minute. Okay, so I'll show you some tricks. You don't need to solve everywhere, you can just use your calculator to get the answers fast. Sometimes you can go by options also. So let's start immediately with question number 21. Okay, get ready with your calculators, and ideally you should try to solve this first by yourself and then come to the video, so that it will be more useful from exam point of view. Okay, if x is 4 raised to 1/3 plus 4 raised to minus 1/3, which is what, 4 raised to 1/3 plus 4 raised to minus 1/3 is what, 1 upon 4 raised to 1/3 using rules of indices, then prove that this is what. Okay, fine. We can, no need to put value of x in this. Okay, we can just take it on calculator. If you know how to find 4 raised to 1/3, do it. Otherwise I'll show you right now quickly, but in detail I have uploaded a video of 12 times square root method. So watch that so that you know how to solve this. Right now I'll just tell you in short. Take 4 on your calculator. 12 times square root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 into power is 1/3, then again plus 1, and then into equal to 1, into equal to 2, into equal to 3. You have to press 12 times. So into equal to 1 time, into equal to 2 times, similarly 12 times. Okay, now I've got something. Don't write it. I'm just showing you 1.587 something something. Don't write it down. Just add it to memory because you have to add it, right? So m plus. Then take its reciprocal. How do you take reciprocal on calculator? Shortcut is divided by equal to. That's it. So just press divide by equal to, and again press m plus because you have to add this also. Now press MRC. Always press MRC twice. 2.21741 something. Always press MRC twice so that memory is cleared and you don't have any more issues. So this is value of x. Okay, just write few digits, then forget about it. Now we can find this and this. For x cube, let's find x cube first. How do you find x cube? X and then into and 2 times equal to, right? Raised to 3, so 2 times equal to. So let's do it. 2.21741 into 2 times equal to into 4 m plus, because we have to add this. Then 2.21741 into 12 m minus, because we have to subtract this. If you press MRC now twice, you will get 17.00 something. So 17 is our answer. Okay. So if you do it fast, you can do it in 1 minute definitely. Let's solve question 22 fast. Now I am not going to explain each step. Try to do it by yourself. So 5 raised to 1/3. First time calculating. Minus 1 into 1/3 plus 1. Then I have got this value as 1.7100 something. Okay, don't write it, just m plus. Then divided by equal to, again m plus. If you press MRC, you get 2.29485. Check if you are getting this, 2.29485. Then 5x cube is 2.29485 into equal to into 5 m plus. Then 2.29485 into 15 m minus. If you press MRC, you get 26.00. So 26 is the correct answer. That's it. That's how fast you should be, so that you are able to do it in 1 minute. Okay. 23 is a good one. If you go to solve it mathematically, then you will face issues because it is a very lengthy question. Not possible to do it in 1 minute. So let's assume some numbers. That is the best way. Okay. We'll put up numbers and options also. Okay. Now we have x raised to 2/3, x raised to 1/3. So let's assume a number x which has an easy cube root. So for example, if you assume x as 8, then cube root is 2, right? So that is easy. Let's assume a, b, c as something. Now we'll have to assume properly because they have a condition given, right? So if we assume, suppose a as 2 and b as, let's say, 3. Okay. Now consider it carefully. A is 2, so 2 into x raised to 2/3 is what? X raised to 2/3. Can I write it as x raised to 1/3 raised to 2? Right, 2/3. X raised to 1 by x is 8. So x raised to 1/3 is 2, and 2 square is 4. Plus B we have assumed as 3 into x raised to 1 by 3 is 2 plus c is equal to 0. That means what? 8 plus 6 plus c is equal to 0. That means c is equal to what? Minus 14. Right. So a is 2, b is 3, c is minus 14 and x is 8. Now we can just find this and match it with the answers. That's easy, right? A cube is 2 cubes, so 8 into x square is 8 square, so 64 plus b cube is 27 into x is 8 plus c cube, that will be minus 14 cube. So what is minus 14 cube? 2744, so minus 2744. Let's find how much this is. 8 into 64 m plus 27 into 8 m plus 2744 m minus, if you press MRC you get negative 2016. Okay, now we have to put this in the options and check. Negative 2016. Okay, now let's check option 1. 3 into ABCX. So 3 into 2 into 3 into negative 14. Where is plus minus sign on this? That's fine. Into x is 8. So 2016. So we are getting minus 2016 with option A only, right? So option A is the correct answer. That's it. So no need to go into proper solving of this, because that is going to be very much complicated. Okay. So let's go ahead. Now 24 there is no need to assume numbers. Actually it is easy if we solve. A raised to p is b, b raised to q is c, but concentrate, b is what? B is a raised to p, right? So instead of b raised to q, can I write a raised to p raised to q, which is a raised to pq, right? Fine. Again c raised to r is a, but c is what? C is this. So instead of c, can I just write a raised to pq bracket raised to r is equal to a, right? So that means nothing but a raised to pqr is equal to a means a raised to 1. So pqr is equal to 1. Option B, base is same, power is also same. Next 25. If a raised to p is equal to b raised to q is equal to c raised to r and b square is ac, then what is value of this? Okay, now one way is assume everything as k, then a raised to p is k, so a is equal to, so see, one way is to do this. Therefore a is equal to k raised to 1 by p, b is equal to b is equal to k raised to 1 by q, c is equal to k raised to 1 by r. But again we are not going to do this. We are always going to use shortcut. So what shortcut can we use? Concentrate. Again let's assume numbers such that b square is equal to ac. Now don't take any number as 1, because 1 raised to anything is always 1. So let's say we take b square as 4 square. 4 square is 16, right? 16 is what? 2 into 8. So automatically we have assumed, if you see, a as 2, b as 4, c as 8. 4 square is equal to 2 into 8. Now let's try to fit this equation. A raised to p, 2 raised to something, is equal to 4 raised to something, is equal to 8 raised to something. Now do you know a number which is in power of 2, 4, 8, everything? Yes. If you observe, 64 comes as 8 square, 4 raised to 3, 4 cube, and 2 raised to 6 is also 64. Check. So now we have got PQR as 632. That's it. Now we have got our answer. So Q into P plus R. See, this is P, Q, R. So Q into P plus R upon P into R. That is our answer. So what is it going to be? 3 into 8 upon 12. What is it? Check on your calculator. 24 by 12. That is 2. Option C is the correct answer. No need to solve. 26. On simplification, this reduces to what? See, you have to take care while assuming ABC. What care you have to take is, you have to see that in options ABC is not there, because if it is there, then we'll have to do it like question 23, because we'll have to put ABC in options as well. Okay, still it can work. And main care that you have to take is, if there is any condition given in the question, then you have to assume ABC accordingly. You cannot just randomly assume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything. You have to assume as per the condition in question. For example, here they have given b square is equal to AC. So you have to assume as per that. Here in 23 they had given this is equal to 0. So we have to assume as per that only, nothing else. Okay. 26 there is no condition, so we can assume anything. They have given something, no need to solve. Let's assume A as maybe 1, B as 2. Right. Or fine, that is fine. So x raised to A by A minus B, that is x raised to what? 1 by minus 1. Upon x raised to a by a plus b, that is 1 by 3, divided by, instead of divided by, can I just write into, and then we'll do reciprocal. So we'll take this in numerator, right? and this in denominator, because we have done division into multiplication, converted. So x raised to b by b plus a, that is 2 by 3, and x raised to b by b minus a, that is 2 by 1, whole bracket raised to a plus b is 3. Right? Why am I solving on module? Because in exam you will get only one sheet of paper, front and back. So you have to use less space to solve your answers, to get your answers, right? So let's solve it properly. Now we can just do it on calculator. This is minus 1. So a raised to m upon a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So we have to add these two powers and we have to subtract these two powers, right? So let's do it on calculator. Minus 1 m plus, 2 by 3 m plus because numerator, 1 by 3 m minus because denominator, and 2 again m minus because denominator. If you press MRC, you get minus 2.6666 recurring. Let me check once again. 1 m plus, 2 by 3 m plus, 1 by 3 m minus, 2 m minus. If you press MRC, you get this. Just a second. Yeah, that is correct. Minus 2 point. Yeah, that is correct. Minus 2.6 recurring you get, right? So it is x raised to minus 2.6 recurring, whole bracket raised to 3. What is 2.66666 into 3? 8, right? So it is x raised to minus 8. Is x raised to minus 8 there in the options? 1, minus 1, 0, no. Right? So none is the correct answer, x raised to minus 8. Okay? So it is not fitting in the options. So 27, let's go to 27. Just a second. Okay, yeah. 27. So again 27 looks like a complicated question, but we will not keep it complicated. We'll make it simple by assuming ABC. In options also we have ABC, so we'll have to put the value in options also, right? So let's assume A as 1, B as 2, 2, C as 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first will be x raised to AB, that is x raised to 2 upon x raised to A square plus B square. 1 square plus 2 square is 1 plus 4, 5. Whole bracket raised to A plus B, 3. Then x raised to b square plus c square, that is 4 plus 9, so 13, upon b into c, that is 6. X raised to 13 upon x raised to 6, sorry. Whole bracket raised to b plus c is 5. If I make any calculation mistake, I mean, I hope you will not be able to tell me because this is a recorded lecture, but I hope I don't make. C into a is what? 3. C square plus a square is what? 10. Whole bracket raised to 4. Okay. Fine. Now we can either do this on calculator also. How can we do this on calculator? Understand, it is going to be x raised to 2 minus 5 into 3, right? So let's do 2 minus 5 into 3, m plus. Then 13 minus 6 into 5, 13 minus 6 into 5, m plus. 3 minus 10 into 4, 3 minus 10 into 4, m plus. If you press MRC, you get x raised to minus 2. Okay, x raised to minus 2. Now let's check which option gives us the answer. X raised to minus 2a cube, that is x raised to minus 2 into 1. So yes, this gives us the answer. But now problem is we have to check other options also, because see, this is the issue that you face when you put ABC as 1, 2, 3. Sometimes you may get other answers also. Okay, but that is a rare chance. I mean, it is a risk that you have to take, because if you solve, it will take 2-3 minutes. So it is better to put some numbers. If it does not work, put other numbers, or else skip it and go ahead, right? So this is not going to be the answer. It will be x raised to 2. This is obviously not going to be the answer, because it will be minus 2 into a cube plus b cube plus c cube. That is a large number. This is also a large number. So x raised to minus 2 is only option A. That's it. 28 is similar, I guess. Yes. Similar. Or is it same? No, only middle term they have switched, right? 28. So fine, let's put again A as 1, B as 2, C as 3. Okay. Again, now first term and third term are going to be the same. So let me write as it is. X square by x raised to 5 whole bracket raised to 3. Middle term will be something different. Third term will be x cube by x raised to 10 whole bracket raised to 4. Let's find what is middle term. X raised to b into c is what? 2 into 3, 6. And b square plus c square is what? 13. Whole bracket raised to b plus c is what? 5. Right. Again, let's do it on calculator. 2 minus 5 into 3 m plus. 3 minus 10 into 4 m plus. 6 minus 13 into 5 m plus. If you press MRC, you get x raised to minus 72. Now we know that these two are not going to be the answer, so skip them. Also D cannot be the answer because they have plus 2 and we have got minus 72, so this has to be the answer, but let's check. X raised to minus 2 into A cube is 1, B cube is 2 cube is 8 and 27, right? So let's check. 27 plus 8 plus 1 into 2 is 27 plus 8 plus 1 into 2 is 72, right? So X raised to minus 72, option C is the correct answer. That's it. 29. On simplification, this reduces to, okay. Now we can put numbers, but there is no need actually. This is a small question, we can directly solve. It will be m raised to x minus y into x plus y into m raised to what, y minus z into y plus z. I hope you are following. I am using basic properties of indices. Divided by 3 times m raised to x plus z into x minus z, right? A plus b, a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So x raised to x square, sorry, m raised to x square minus y square plus, because this will be added, right, to that first term. So y square minus z square upon 3 into m raised to x square minus z square. We can cancel plus y square minus y square. So x square minus z square is m raised to x square minus z square is both in numerator and denominator. So we can cancel it. So 1 by 3 is the correct answer, option D. Okay. Yes. Next, question number 30. Let's go to it. Just a second. Yeah. 30. So the value of this is given by, again, you can solve, but put x as 1, y as 2. So it will be 1 upon 1 plus, let's put a also as something, a as 2, let's say, or a as 3 if you want, whatever. So it will be 1 plus 3 raised to y minus x is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 3 raised to x minus y is minus 1. So it is going to be 1 by 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 by 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1 is what, 1/3, right? And 1 plus 1/3 is what, if you do it on calculator, it is 1.3 recurring. So just do it on calculator now. 1 by 4 m plus 1 by 1.333333 m plus. If you press MRC, you get 1. So 1 is the answer, option C. Skip. So next is question 31. If xyz is equal to 1, then what is value of this? Okay. Now again, if you go to solve, very complicated. Assume x, y, z. Let's say x is 2, y is 4. Okay, I'm assuming any numbers, you can take any numbers that you want. 2 into 4 is 8. 8z is equal to 1. That means z is equal to what? 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 0.125. You can check on your calculator. So 2, 4 and 0.125. So let's put it here. 1 by 1 plus x plus y raised to minus 1 is 4 raised to minus 1. 4 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 4. So 0.25. Next second term will be 1 by 1 plus y is 4. And z raised to minus 1 is this raised to minus 1. How do you take reciprocal of a number? 0.125. Take 0.125 divided by equal to. That's it. If you press divide by equal to, you will see that you get 8. Then 1 by 1 plus z is 0.125. And x raised to minus 1 is 2 raised to minus 1. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. So that is going to be 1 by 3.25 plus 1 by 13 plus 1 by 1.625. I hope I am correct. Yes. So do it on calculator. 3.25 divided by equal to m plus 13 divided by equal to m plus 1.625 divided by equal to m plus. If you press MRC, you get 0.9999, which is 1, option A. 32. If 2 raised to a is equal to 3 raised to b is equal to 12 raised to c, then what is this? Okay. Now here unfortunately we have to solve, because assuming numbers will be very complicated here. So let's solve. So let's assume everything as k. If 2 raised to a is k, understand, if 2 raised to a is equal to k, then if I raise both sides by 1 by a, then a will be cancelled here, and so we'll have 2 is equal to k raised to 1 by a. Similarly, we'll have 3 is equal to k raised to 1 by b, because everything is equal to k, and 12 is equal to k raised to 1 by c. Okay. Now we have to see what is given here and how to get that. Concentrate very carefully. Okay. We have to somehow get, concentrate, we want 1 by c minus 1 by b minus 2 by a. So we have to somehow get k raised to that, k raised to 1 by c minus 1 by b minus 2 by a. Now how can we get that? Can we use rules of indices? Concentrate. Can I write it as k raised to 1 by c upon k raised to 1 by b into k raised to 2 by a. Why? Because a raised to m minus n is equal to a raised to m by a raised to n. Fine. Can I write this 2 by a as 1 by a square, right? Because 1 by into 2 will be 2 by. Fine. Now we can just put values. We know that k raised to 1 by c is 12 upon k raised to 1 by c is 3 into k raised to 1 by a is what? 2 square is 4. So this is going to be 1. That does not mean our answer is 1. Concentrate. So this is 1. Okay. If this is 1, concentrate. K raised to what is 1? Understand, anything raised to 0 is 1, right? Except 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So k raised to what is 1? K raised to 0 is 1. That means that number has to be 0. Okay. All this, let me draw it in different color. Yeah. All this has to be 0 so that k raised to 0 will be 1, right? So 0 is our answer. Okay. So this was a little bit complicated, I agree. But here there is no option. You have to go by that k method, nothing else. Okay. Fine. So yeah, for this video, let's stop at this. I hope up to now everything is clear, and you have now, I hope you now know the tricks. So you have to be able to solve every question in 1 minute in exam so that you can reach 80 plus 90 plus questions. Because I've seen many students reach 60 plus 70 plus only, then obviously your chance of getting good marks also decreases, right? Fine, so let's stop here for this video. We'll continue next in next video. Okay, bye everyone.